Hello, welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to quickly and easily add a dollar sign to numbers in Excel. Whether you're working on a price list, a budget, or anything involving currency, this simple step will make your spreadsheet look professional and easy to read. Let's jump right in. To begin, take a look at your spreadsheet and decide which numbers need the dollar sign. In our example, we're working with prices for products A, B, and C. Here's what you do. Highlight the numbers where you want the dollar sign to appear. Simply click and drag your mouse to select the cells. Now that your numbers are selected, we're ready to move on. Right-click. With your mouse over the selected area, right-click to bring up a menu. From the menu, click on Format Cells. This will open a pop-up window where we can customize how the numbers are displayed. Now we're in the Format Cells window. Here's what to do next. Go to the Category section. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Select Currency from the options. Customize the settings. Look to the right-hand side of the window. You'll see options to adjust. Decimal places. Use the arrows to set how many decimal places you want. For now, we'll leave it at 2, e.g. $12.34. Currency symbol. Open the drop-down menu to choose the currency symbol you need. For this example, select the dollar sign. Before you finalize your changes, take a look at the sample field at the top of the window. This shows you how your numbers will look with the new settings applied. Once everything looks good, click OK to confirm your choices. And that's it! Your numbers now display with a dollar sign, formatted with 2 decimal places, just like we wanted. And there you have it! Adding a dollar sign or any currency symbol to numbers in Excel is quick, easy, and a great way to make your spreadsheet look polished and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out our other videos here at Sheet Leveler to learn more Excel tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.